Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put an Instagram watermark or logo to your Instagram reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and first thing first, I'm going to create an Instagram reel. I'm just going to click on this plus button and I'm going to select a reel, and I'm going to upload this video as my Instagram reel. And if we want to add Instagram watermark or logo, we can use the sticker feature. Tap on this sticker and then you can select cutout and make sure you have downloaded Instagram watermark or logo so you can add it to your reel. And I'm just going to use this logo. Okay, and now this sticker is being created and we need to wait until the process complete. Okay, and we can click on use sticker. Okay, then you can place this logo or this watermark to any part of your video. I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and I'm going to add my username as well. Wait guys. Okay, click on done and I'm going to place it nearby the logo. Okay, and after that you just need to click on next. Alright guys, and that's all the way to put an Instagram watermark or logo to Instagram reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.